Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Today we have discussed about the BTech first year of engineering physics, the most important question of Unit 1, 2 marks and 7 marks question. What is the aim of division German experiment? Now the second is what is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with a potential difference of 400 volt? What is the group and phase velocity? Explain the relation between group and phase velocity. Basically, group velocity in passes from in group and phase in passes from not in group. So the fourth is what is the quantum effect? Calculate the value of quantum shift when a proton recoils back after starting an electron at rest. The fifth is derive pseudo term of independent wave equation. Six is write down the physical significance of wave function. 7 is calculate the energy difference between ground state and first excited state of an electron in one dimension box of length 10 centimeter, where m and h are given. Now we will proceed from unit 2, 2 marks and 7 marks question. Now the first one is write the similarity or dissimilarity between condition and displacement current. Now the second is find the skin depth and at a frequency of this in aluminum from this where mu r is 1. Now the discuss Misner effect. So the diamagnetic magnetism and zero stability are two independent and essential property of the superconductor. This is unit 5. Now, four question is explain the term of skin depth and necessary formula. Derive electromagnetism wave equation in free space. Prove that electromagnetism wave propagate with speed of light. Now we will proceed from unit 3rd. Unit 3rd is 2 marks answer marks question. Center is dark in Newton using experiment. Now the second is explain interference in thin film due to reflected light of uniform thickness and obtain the condition of bright and dark ring. The third question is what is an optical fiber? How does the light signal propagate through it? The fourth question is draw a neat diagram of HN helium and neon laser and describe the method of working, how it is superposition to the ruby laser. Now the fifth question is what do you mean by acceptance angle and numerical apprentice? Find find out the expression for acceptance angle and numerical acceptance of an optical fiber in terms of the reflective index of core and cladding. Now the fourth unit is and 2 marks answer no question is discuss the phenomena of interference of light due to parallel then film and find the condition of maxima and minima so that the interference pattern of reflection and transmission source of light are complementary. This is the long question but their answer are very short. Now the second question is discuss the phenomena of interference of light due to parallel film. This question and this question are same. Now we will proceed from third question. Newton rings are observed normal in reflected light of wavelength 4 6000 ms. The diameter of 10th dark ring is 0.5 cm. Find the radius of curvature of length of thickness of the film. This is the one type of very interesting question. Now we will proceed to fourth question. State of Rayleigh criteria of resolution. The fifth is what do we understand by coherent source? The sixth question is discuss slit permanent deflection and show the relative intensity of success maximum where 1 raised to 1 upon 22 raised to 1 upon 62 raised to 1 upon 121. And also on the 7 is most important question. Discuss the formation of neutron ring, showing the diameter of a ring of potential of square root of natural number. Now we will proceed from Unit 5. Unit 5 for 2 marks and 7 marks question also. The first one is state any two difference between index, step index and graded index fiber. The second one is what is the top down and bottom up method? What is the vortex state of superconductivity? Write any two application of nanomaterial. Now the one last other question are what is the difference between type 1 and type 2 semiconductor and why type 2 semiconductor are more important than type 1 semiconductor? This is the basically region based question. Now what is the purpose of nanoscience? Discuss any one method, CVD or sol gel for the simulations of nanomaterial. Now discuss the effect of external magnetic field of superconductor. The transition temperature of Pb is 7.2 Kelvin. However, at 5 Kelvin it loses its superconductivity of magnetic field of 3.5 Newton per 4 A upon m. Find the maximum value of H which allow the metal to retain its superconductivity at 0 Kelvin. The second one is what is the nanomaterial? Explain briefly the basic concept of quantum dot, quantum wire and quantum well.